Rashid Khan. Andrei Russell convincing, although it was against me, so not too convincing. But I tell you what, Rashid Khan, that was convincing against the universe boss. And we've got it here in Dubai. Those were the semi-finals, and this is who the final is. You forget what's happened, and you look forward to what's to come.
Got the coin in my hands. That's the head. All right, the other side is the tail. And you qualified first, I think, Trace. I'm going to make you a call. Tail's the call, and that is a head. You've won the toss. What do you want to do? And who is your ace going to be? You've got three choices. You've got Stephen Finn, Tymal Mills, or Graham Creamer.
I would like to bat first and take panel and put runs on the board, and I will choose Finn as my ace player.
You're going to take Stephen Finn. All right, you are bowling, Dre. Who are you going to pick, Graham Creamer or Tymal Mills? Other two left.
Those are two proper bowlers, but I'm going to go with Millsy.
All right, gents, just little touch and good luck. Go well. Enjoy the final. Great stuff, gents. There you go. It's Rashid Khan, who is going to bat first, but runs on the board in the final.
This is the battle of the heavyweights. This is what we've been waiting for.
Yeah, the best two all-rounders. A couple of the best two all-rounders in the world. Rashid Khan, Andrei Russell. Right now, it's Rashid Khan. He's facing the fast stuff. What ball has Andrei Russell got? Looks like he's got the swinging ball. He's got a slip in position, and he's got mid-off. Here we go.
We know what we get from Rashid Khan is a lot of good running, aggressive running, and I think the fact that you've got a fielder behind the stumps where he's batting is a good move, because it just stops him from stealing the second.
Oh, there's the in-swing. Mills going to get it. No, he misses it. Misses it at long on. That's not going to make Russell happy. Look at this in-swing. Rashid off. That's not what you like as a fielder. Full again. 6. No. Yes, close. Very close from Rashid. Boundary 4. So he's picking up now. He's starting to go is Rashid Khan. Andrei Russell going full smack.
That's nicely played in the zone. Completes the physical run as well.
Here it is, the last ball of the first innings. He goes for it. It hits the net. He's only going to pick up 1. He's going to look for 2. He's going at it. He's going for 2. Look at this from Russell. Oh! This is magnificent from Dre Russ.
Outstanding. Outstanding. Simply brilliant. And Rashid Khan is disappointed, because in that endeavor to steal 1 run, he's lost 5.
He's got him. He's got him. He's got him. The reaction from Russell, magnificent. Look how much. This means a hell of a lot. He takes the momentum into his batting. So here we have it. There it is. 2-1-1-4, 4-4. 3 4s. There was a 5 in that, and then the all-important wicket for Andrei Russell. 25 runs, Rashid Khan, and this is the big final. Andrei Russell, well, he got the wicket off the last ball. He got that brilliant run out. Are we going to see brilliance with the bat, or are we going to see brilliance with the ball? Rashid Khan, he spins it both ways. He bowls fast. He bowls it back of a length. You've got to pick it before you can hit it. And that's why he's so good in T20s. But in this form of the game, you really have no time. You've just got to go after him. I just don't think you need to lose wickets. You don't want to be losing wickets. I think wickets is what costs you. There we go. Look at this. Dre Russ straight away. He goes 3. He picks it up. Completes the single. And that's a nice start. It's a confident start.
He's probably chased it because he was hitting the ball. Let's get the lucky bat out then.
Oh, a chance. It was hit straight back at Rashid. Got to take your catches off your own bowling.
You're a hard man, KP. I think that's safe. That's +3 for Rashid.
Nah, it's off the bottom of the bat. It's the lighter bat. He's got to catch it. Here we go. Rashid Khan to Andrei Russell. or the googlies. So he hasn't picked a couple of leg spinners, he hasn't picked a couple of googlies. And when you talk about one of the greats, one of the players who's entertained us over the first couple of days, it's an absolute pleasure to have Mr. Yuvraj Singh in the commentary box.
Yes, mate. Hopefully we will not have a go at each other while we're commentating, but it was fun, and this game is on fire.
What do you think of the UKC?
I think it's a great concept. I think very exciting. 2 innings, you have an opportunity to come back, and probably next year if you have people in here, you know, you have a bigger net, probably more runs. I think it's going to be a great concept for the future.
Yeah, it is. It is. You've heard it here from Yuvraj. You've heard it from all the players. This is the last ball. Last ball here of the first innings. He doesn't want to lose a wicket. He crunches it straight down the ground. Finn misses it. Momentum, UV.
I know. It's close. He's got 21, and that is only a lead of 5. So it's going to be, I feel it's going to be a seriously close game. It's going to be a cracker of a game.
Who's going to win it? Who's your man?
I feel it's going to be Rashid.
Still Rashid. Look at that little fumble there from Finn. Rashid wouldn't have been happy. He's going to have to bat. But have a look at this, Rashid Khan. It was that wicket that dropped him down by 5. He could have had 30, got 25. Andre Russell's batted 21. Andre Russell trails by 4 runs.
So after 1 innings, there's not much separating Rashid Khan and Andre Russell. Clearly, both men are out to prove a point in this grand finale. But only one man can stand tall at the end of it all. Who will it be?
Ladies and gentlemen, if you missed it, you want to go back and you want to see it.
Outstanding. Outstanding. Simply brilliant.
Welcome back to the Ultimate Cricket Challenge, the newest and most exciting format of our favorite game, where we pit 2 of the biggest names in the game against each other. It is the ultimate stage of the Ultimate Challenge. The 2 finalists are not holding back any punches and are matching each other pound for pound. After 1 innings, only 4 runs separate Rashid Khan and Andre Russell. And now it's on to the 2nd innings. Who will prevail in the grand finale?
Here we go. This is going to now be the 2nd innings, and there you've seen it on screen. Rashid Khan, he's going to be facing Mills, and this is ball number 1. Oh, a little bit of swing. Quite a bit of intelligence in this game too. You can't just think you can go out there and slog it, hey?
Definitely. I think when I started off, I thought I'm just going to hit it straight. As I realized there were different bowlers, I had to change my game. And, you know, there's a lot of thinking involved, and as I said, the smarter guy in the park is going to win the tournament. It's just not about skill. You have to be really sharp because you don't have, you know, too many teammates around to help you out. So you're just on your own, basically. And
bouncer.
that is a no ball.
You like that? Yuvraj likes that. That's a no ball. Look at Rashid. He's asking for it. If it is a no ball, ladies and gentlemen, just remember, it's a free hit. Let's watch the umpire here. It's a no ball. It is a no ball, and it is a free hit. You can see a guy that didn't fancy the short ball shouting. UV, how animated were you when you saw that?
Because that's, I don't know what the rule is on the no ball, but definitely should be -5 for the bowler. That should be the rule for the next year.
But in the previous game, UV, have a look at this. That's the bullseye.
Oh.
There it is. Look at Rashid. Look at it. Please hit the bullseye. Please hit the bullseye. Please hit. Yes! Our first 12. Look at him go.
This was the biggest opportunity for us to hit the bullseye, but probably next year.
Yeah, absolutely. There's a 3. Misfield there on the ring, and the ball just goes across. You were able to throw a few of those chicken and mushrooms down, weren't you?
Yeah, I'm sure you enjoyed those over the years.
I got a 1 over the pie chucker. Ladies and gentlemen, if you missed it, you want to go back and you want to see it.
Oh, man.
We loved our competition. How good was the competition?
It was. We were trying to piss each other off, and it kind of worked really well for us. and end up losing too many wickets in the second innings.
What a great career. Yuvraj Singh. What is this? We're starting to see the MS Dhoni. The helicopter shot. He's gone twice. The ball before he went helicopter. He's gone helicopter again there.
Yeah, that was kind of an exceptional shot actually.
Invention in the game of T20 cricket, the shorter form, and have a look at that. Have a look at the wrists, Yuvi.
Oh, definitely. I think it's not an easy shot to pull off, because I remember me and MS would actually practice that shot a lot after batting in the nets. So it's a very different execution.
He's gone again. Yeah, you played it a lot, didn't you? When the ball just doesn't, it's not in the slot, it's just a little bit fuller, you use your wrists.
Yeah, definitely. I think when the bowler gets predictable, you know he's going to bowl Yorkers, and you really have to use your bottom hand a lot. And initially, you don't use your bottom hand because you want to get the bat free flowing. Another boundary from Rashid. I think the score is gone more than 30.
Yeah, it's up to 38 now. Do you think that's a match-winning score? You can't get that in the second innings, surely.
I definitely think that's a match-winning score, and Rashid, I feel, should be smart now not to get out.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, this is the last ball. This is Rashid's last ball of batting in UKC 2020. He's going to pick up a single. Is he going to go for a two? No, he's no. He's going to settle with a lead of 39. Andre Russell is going to need 40. 40 to win the UKC. Is the big man up to it? We have a look at his batting. 25 and 35. He's improved. He's got a lot better. Couple of fours there. We haven't seen any sixes in this game so far. Are we going to see Dre Russ turn up with a sixth-a-thon? Andre Russell, here it is. Okie dokie. There is 15 balls, 15 scheduled balls, legal deliveries. And Andre Russell trails by 39, which means he needs 40 to win this game. Oh, Rashid Khan, he's gone with Stephen Finn. Good move, Yuvi?
Yes, maybe for the first few balls. I think by the time he's just getting set to hit, and probably Rashid want to come in and bowl a few and, you know, rattle him. So I think this is a good plan. What do you think?
Yeah, I don't think it's a bad plan.
And probably wait for the full ball and hit it straight. Just
There's
like
the
that.
full ball.
Oh.
Rashid Khan, he went for it. He drops it. He's going to pick up 4. He wanted it, Yuvi.
He definitely wanted that. That could have been, that catch could have changed the game. Fortunately for Rashid, he dropped it. Fortunate for Russell.
Look at the effort. Look at the effort. Oh, he doesn't even get a hand on it. That's not a drop catch, is it? Huh? He didn't get a hand on it.
I mean, hit his wrist, so it is a drop catch.
Oh, run out, run out, run out. Oh, you forget about that. You forget about the fact you got to finish the single. Russell runs and almost gets run out.
Kimi, what do you think if you hit a 6, you still have to run? You hit a bullseye and you still have to run. You hit a boundary, you still have to run. What do you think about that? Oh, that was close.
Yeah, that was really close. That was actually out. Off he goes. He's going to pick up 3 there. He's got to complete the run. He goes again. He's making him run. This is what the UKC is all about. It's not about just 6s and 4s. It's about getting the runs. Rashid's going at him here. Wonder what he's saying. Look at this. Look at this. That was close, 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 close. No, he was comfortable there. Previous ball. Have a look at this. Rashid's probably asking him or telling him it's round, it's white. Have you got any chance of hitting it?
Probably he's saying that you can't really hit me here. This is my arena. I'm winning this.
Really? So you'd be thinking now 6s and 4s? No, he goes
Absolutely.
down the ground to Finn. Finn gets him. That's the problem with going down the ground. The problem is you could lose your wicket. And now he needs 32. And look what it means to Rashid. He's happy. Finn takes the catch. It's a wicket, baby.
I definitely think he's going to be the champion over here, because Russ, he's put his head down. He thinks he's lost it, and he's not happy about it.
Oh, he's not happy at all.
I think he's saying he's bowling too quick.
I don't know if he's bowling too quick.
probably
what he
saying
is
the
saying.
ball's not bouncing enough.
No, well, the ball's bouncing absolutely fine. Brilliant from Rashid, man. This is convincing. It really is. There's only a couple of deliveries to go, and I think that Andre Russell has now just decided, well, it's only 12s that can help me, but 12s can't actually help him now unless there's a wide.
I just feel that he's just not good with his bowling. He's very good with his batting as well. If he puts his mind to batting, he can actually bat. And obviously he's a really fit guy, runs really well, very good fielder. So he's just an asset to any team. If you look at the way he was playing IPL as well, the best players in the world were really struggling hard to pick him.
Yeah, just brilliant. Brilliant in all three facets of the game. I think that he's really enjoyed the batting. Look at this, he goes again. Rashid Khan, look at him celebrate. Look at him. There is your champion. UV, he's the boss of UKC.
Definitely he is. Many congratulations to him.
Great competitiveness, and you can see it on Rashid Khan. You can see the disappointment for Andre Russell. And you can see how happy he is. Him and Stephen Finn, he picked his ace and he got the victory. Absolutely brilliant. Brilliant from Rashid. He wins by 24 runs.
Definitely ruthless throughout the tournament. I think he totally deserves it.
Yeah, spectacular. Have a look at this. Rashid Khan, 25. Andre Russell, 21. Rashid Khan, 35. Andre Russell could only get 15. And ladies and gentlemen, Rashid Khan wins by 24, and he is your champion.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, what a magnificent tournament we've had here. The UKC, the inaugural one, is done and dusted here in the Coca-Cola Arena in Dubai. Fantastic performance by all the players concerned. We've had a great few days. We've got some appreciation.